live from Farmington, Missouri for the Blues Brews and Barbecue. I almost messed that up. Oh yeah. They got some carving of wood. This is pretty cool. Look at this. That's tough. Look at the cardinal bird. That's real skill there. Beautiful day to be out too. Set up. I have no idea where I'm supposed to be going, y'all, so I'm just gonna keep walking up. I think I see the car show. Yeah. Blues, Brews, and Barbecue. Farmington, Missouri. Look at this. Yeah, out here. Oh. That's Steve Harvey. That's Steve Harvey on the picture. Oh, yeah. Beautiful day to be outside. Okay. They just threw the car show together, which was pretty dope. So didn't have a lot of time to get cars together, but I'm glad to see people here already, like, for the cars. It's pretty good. That's much appreciated. It's classics too. Classics. Yeah, I know. I can't wait to get Crush back out here. Man, Craven built a monster. Like, yes, they did. I'm gonna do some more videos as they go on. We all got some grudge racing going on this evening. So stay tuned to the video.
For a few of us can get that account. Yeah.
Hi, stay tuned. That is hard. Straight fusion. Autism is not a disability, it's a different ability. So, love it. All right, y'all, I finished judging. We're gonna go down here and we're gonna turn around. Ah, man, that was fun. First time judging. But let's see this, y'all. Yeah. Tough. It's beautiful. Out of Farmington, Missouri at the Blues Brews Car Show. Sponsored by Autos for Autism and Hope for Autism. That is their shop here in Farmington. Y'all come shop. Dress to Impress resale shop. Nice clothes and things in there. We'll get a video in there soon. Look at this truck. I like this fifth wheel on the back. I'll definitely pull Crush with this. Y'all better believe that. Look at that fifth wheel. How we doing?
How you doing?
Good, and you?
Good.
I love it. I like that fifth wheel. This is nice. What is it? The bumper? I know. I saw with you. Wow.
I pity the fool that hits that bumper.
Yeah, I me too. Especially these cars nowadays.
Yep.
It's gonna fold it up like a.
Yep.
Yeah, I really love that fifth wheel. Pulling over here, it's like a showstopper. What year is it?
This is a
90, yeah. Man, that's beautiful.
Thank you.
Well, 95. I should know that I just judged it right, but I don't remember in all the years. Best is gonna be racing. Buying her today, Grudge Racing. Corey! My crew chief, Corey Woods, in the building. What up, brother? Yeah, just check this out, though. My bad, I don't know how I skipped over it.
I have no idea.
Look at this. Air compressors.
I kept hearing rumors that they're gonna
Rockford P2s.
a neighbor of mine.
Terrible. Look at this original SRT8. These still going for close to 30.
That's the first year. Right?
Yep. It's a nice bracket car. This would be a nice bracket car.
They'll run with low 12.
Yep. Well, yeah, because then you got 8th by 11 quarter. Nice consistent bracket car. Put the tire on it. You ain't really got to do nothing for real. Like, you just cold air intake. That's pretty much it. I wouldn't even put E85 on it.
No, I wouldn't.
I'd tune it just like it is.
You want to drive.
Premium tune. That'll go some rounds.
Run on 93 octane.
That'll definitely go some rounds. Then drive home with the moonroof open.
Might get you an extra set of seats.
Yep. That's ready to go out the gate.
So it's individual judging,
Mm-hmm.
and then they compare the
whole
scores
sheet.
and add the scores in.
Yep. She got a sheet, Miss Candy.
V84. V84.
I see that Chevelle. Y'all know this is mostly every man's dream.
So I probably
I want one bad. I definitely do. The floor shifter. Oh, gosh. Oh, give me orange. I want it to match Crush. Got a nice original bed.
Your car's sweet.
Original, amazing condition. It's nice for a cruise. Go to the drive-in movie theater in this bad boy. They be having them quarter nights out there in Skyview, Belleville, when you bring in old school.
Oh yeah.
No, they did.
I ain't been there.
Post-COVID.
This year.
I ain't been in some years.
I went like 2 times last year.
That's how with the kids with the sleep.
I didn't go last year. So it's been 2 years.
You see the inside of this one?
Nope.
Take this on a straight road trip. You a boy, you'll go to every track in this, wouldn't you?
Oh, heck
You'd be ready to sleep. I want to play that cornhole.
It's a tournament though.
I know, I want to get in it, boy. I like cornhole. This is nice though. It's a straight Volkswagen with the camper top.
Because you got the top bed, and this.
I didn't know that was a bed. That is a bed.
This should fold out into a bed.
Oh man. It look hot up there though.
Yeah. Well, you
Turn
got
that
the,
air
the
conditioner
fan,
on.
the little air screen up front. You better hope it's the wind blowing.
Nah, we got to turn that air on. Oh, look at this. Herbie. Been working at the track, man. Like 100 of these came
Put
in
a
there.
cap, you should be able to see it spark. You know what I'm saying? When the rotor go around.
1957. Man, I love that movie Herbie. I ain't seen Herbie in forever. I need to find that on VHS somewhere.
My uncle had one of them. No air conditioning, no nothing.
Not even a radio.
So I guess whoever wins in the cornhole, they just keep shifting down.
Probably.
The winners versus the winners. There's some nice bracket cards here too, though. This ain't them run 1971 Pontiac Tour. Beautiful, clean.
This is the baby Nova. Pontiac, you know, Chevy had the Nova, so Pontiac made the Ventura.
Chevy had the Nova, so Pontiac made a Ventura.
Yeah. It's
beautiful.
Same body style and the parts were interchanged.
Look how much room is in here.
Yeah, man, they took all the fenders out.
But they don't make them like this no more, though.
And that's a big block motor. Just imagine with the small block in it.
Maybe not.
All right, how much do you think this weigh?
With it stripped down, probably, I'm going to say 29.
Oh, I still kind of heavy.
It's got fiberglass front. These are probably real fenders. Yeah, real fenders. Fiberglass nose piece.
I would make this a grudge car, and I would put something when I say ridiculous, I need 3 pairs of shoes to stop it.
In my eyes, it'd be considered a big tire car.
I don't know.
31
That's
is
yeah.
big tire.
A lot of people, yeah, you can't run 29.5 class to stop off. So he run
like
big
20,
tire.
They only like 29 30.
Yeah, not wide. You gotta read them fine prints for them no prep races, boy, because they is not trying to pay up. They is not trying to lose rounds. It's
They
nice.
got all the bathrooms up there.
I have no idea. Well, came from Illinois. Get this Grudge race in. Autism awareness. Love this marrow.
All right, little back.
Straight. Good.
Stop.
Well, we good. Going. Let it go.
Dressed to impress.
It ain't gonna be me. You crazy.
Resale shop. Men and women's clothes. Hope for Autism, Autos for Autism. They ran a really, really nice resale shop in Farmington, Missouri, y'all. Come and get fitted. Yeah, this is dope. This is my first time in here, but I'm so proud to be a part of this amazing group. So happy, so proud. Got my crew chief, Corey. Gonna spend some money. Appreciate him. Y'all come up. Anytime you're in Farmington, Missouri, stop in to Dress to Impress. 4 VHS for $1. Those are the classics.
Okay, yeah.
Hope for Autism.
Number 20. We ended up with 2 20s, so it is the Dodge Custom Royal 500 1959. So Miss Canadian.
Yeah! Got it.
Good job. Okay. This custom
Right over there.
is the 1923 T-Bucket. Josh, walk.
Yeah!
Good. Something like that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Good job. With the best of show is the 1948 Ford Mercury.
Hey!
Good
job.
Thank you so much. Look at the camera. You gotta turn around and look at the camera. Look beautiful.
Got it.
Thank you. Good job. There you go. So thank you all for coming out. Those of you who don't know who we are and what we do, we are Hope for Autism. This is our storefront. I'm Dressed to Impress. We have a lot of different legs underneath us, but we have an internship program for teens and adults that are on the spectrum. Look us at hopeforautism.org. You'll know way more information than I can ever give you right here. But we definitely thank you for all of your support today. Very, very appreciative of you. And started off, they just wanted us to do a little car show, and then I was called out by Mr. Willie Roll. So we're going to do a little bit of grudge match racing tonight at Von Terre. So if you want to continue the festivities with us, as soon as we kind of clear out here, we're loading up and we're heading over to Von Terre, and we're going to do a grudge match, and then we're going to bet a little money and give it all back to Hope for Autism. So thank you all very much.
Yeah! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. See you later. That was it. Beautiful show. All those for autism, hope for autism. Now we are headed to the track. Stay tuned. Yeah. We pulling a big boy trailer. Yeah. Oh, they gave me them keys to the trailer. I put it up good, y'all. Y'all know what it is. We about to on. Oh, I got to load. Let's get it. Let's get it. Thank you. See y'all later. You're welcome. Okay, keys to my crew chief. We're gonna be up and doing this when we be out of town coming up. Grudge racing. Yes, sir. Willie finna pull his out. We outside, y'all. Nice people out here in Farmington, love it. All right. All the way from Illinois, coming to give us a good grudge race. Best out of 5. I ain't never stopped traffic from the police. Thank you, though. Oh, this is legendary. Oh, man. But yeah, y'all, we finna get it in. Thank you. Yeah, we finna load up, y'all. Can't wait to get this footage. Like that. We're on our way. Corey, say what's up to Morgan.
What's up, Morgan?
We're finna get ready for this grudge racing. Corey came all the way from St. Louis to help out. We appreciate it. And we made it to the track. You ready, crew chief?
I'm ready. Does she have an overflow can?
The beautiful cars coming by. Y'all let's go check out a little racing real quick. That's the other Crush. But that's Crush with a C. We Crush with a K. But that's the Crush right there. Good people right there. So look at some good old drag racing. Everybody out here for bracket racing. They letting us slip in between bracket to do grudge racing. So shout out to Jared, owner of the track. Oh yeah. is all, folks. Cylinder is gone. It was a good first race, but the cylinder has left the building. Thank y'all for tuning in. It was a great race though. And we will be back out here for Autos for Autism coming up next April. Make sure it's a car show, grudge racing. Y'all want to get to St. Louis for some great grudge racing? Meet me there, and then we can come up to Bonter, Missouri, and we will set up some great grudge racing. Until then, everybody be blessed and stay safe. Thanks for tuning in.